In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple pictures on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the steps, shall we? First things first, you need to make sure you have your Pinterest account ready. Go ahead and open Pinterest in your web browser and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly set one up, but for now, let's focus on those of you who are ready to upload some amazing images. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your Pinterest homepage. You'll see a button that says Create. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a few options for creating different types of content. What we want to do is select Create Pin. This is where the magic begins. Now on this new page, you'll notice an area that invites you to upload images. It usually says something like drag and drop or click here to upload. Go ahead and click on that upload area. Your computer's file explorer will pop up, allowing you to browse for the pictures you want to share. But here's a handy tip. If you want to upload multiple images at once, you can do that easily. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard. As you do this, click on each picture you want to include in your upload. This way, you can select multiple pictures without having to upload them one by one. Once you've highlighted all the images you'd like to upload, click the Open button in the File Explorer. You'll see the selected pictures start to upload one by one. Depending on your internet speed and the number of images, this shouldn't take long at all. Now that your fabulous pictures are uploaded, it's time to fill in some crucial details. You'll need to add a title for your pin. Make it catchy and informative so that others can easily see what your images are about. Next, there's a description box right under the title. This is your chance to explain a bit more about the images you've just uploaded. Maybe share a story, provide context, or just let people know why you love these pictures. And don't forget, if you have an external website or blog that you want your viewers to visit, you should paste the link in the designated box. This will allow people accessing your pin to easily navigate to your site and learn more from you. Next, you'll want to select a board for your pin. If you already have boards set up that fit the theme of your pictures, simply click on the drop-down menu and choose the one that suits your needs. If you don't have a suitable board yet, you can create a new one right then and there. Take a moment to review your pin. Check that your titles, descriptions, and links all look good. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and that the images are the ones you intended to upload. This is a crucial step because once you hit publish, there's no turning back. And finally, once you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click the Publish button. Congratulations! You've just uploaded multiple pictures to Pinterest for everyone to see. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you navigate the process of uploading multiple pictures on Pinterest successfully. Remember, it's all about sharing your creativity and inspiring others, so don't hesitate to share your unique vision. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy pinning!